So, I didn't record the cooking process. This is country style ribs. I was gonna just toss them into the air fryer, but it was a big package and they were too darn big. So I went with Plan B, which is the cast iron skillet. And what I did was I seared these suckers and then put some seasoning. I had this from a local butcher shop, good stuff. And added a little bit of this. Did I put anything else on? I guess that's all. And stuck them in the oven at 350 for an hour and 45 minutes with the lid on. Then I took the lid off. I trimmed off some fat before I cooked them too, because they were fatty. Anyway, took the lid off. Put some, normally you'd put barbecue sauce, but out of barbecue sauce. We're kind of trying to clear out our cabinets and freezer and all that. Anyway, so I went with the next best thing. I had some teriyaki sauce and some hoisin. I love my hoisin. And, oh yeah, did I mention the salt? Hickory smoked, it's good. And, stick them back in the oven. Lowered the heat to 325. No lid for 30 minutes to get the bark on there. Just look at that. And man, they're so good, so tender. Actually, they're better than the air fryer could have been. Took a lot longer, like 3 times as long, but man, it was worth it. They're just falling off. I mean, you just touch them with a fork and just look at that. So, also some Trader Joe's Mexican style street corn with some spice on it. Yum, yum. So, that's my adventures with cooking the country style ribs. Probably the best I've done. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, there was one more thing I added in the process. Now I remember, threw some of this on at the beginning too. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bon appetit.